Yo, it's your boy Russell Climas going to the Home Depot today because we're going to be doing some tube stuff. You know, like I said before, probably, I don't know, I don't remember, man. Shoot. Did I do an intro? We're going to find out. I haven't decided yet. This could be the intro. Freaking Home Depot. Oh yeah, here we go. Okay, so for these tubes that we're going to be doing stuff, I always go to Home Depot. You can get them at Lowe's, you can really any home improvement store you can do the stuff at. And so I'm going to the lighting section, and these tubes you can get are T8 or T12. There's also T12 giant tubes. Look at these freaking massive, man. You gotta be dedicated though. It's hard to swing one of those bad boys around. Anywho, so now I gotta find these tubes. I always forget where they are. I'm not very good at finding them. They're back here with all the lights. Tubes, hello. Hello tube. Tubes, where are you? I have to find the tubes now. Hello. Little tubes. No matter which Home Depot I go into, I'm like, where are the tubes? They don't really know what I mean though. Because they're fluorescent safety tubes. See, tubes, aha, I think I found them. Different tubes here. T12, T8. I switched to T8s from T12s, more or less just because it's easier. You can add attachments and stuff. But T12s can be used for extenders, which we might talk about in this episode. And but these T8s are pretty great. Run for around $4 a piece. So pretty inexpensive overall. Anywho, let me grab some and then we'll go. Cool? Okay. See you guys in a hot second as I dance to this music. I don't even know if you can hear it, but yes! So to make our own light painting tubes, we're gonna need a couple tools first. Scissors, wax paper, the T8 or T12 tube that you just bought. I still recommend T8s. And then you're going to want to make sure that when you cut that wax paper, that you're going to cut it, that it's still going to be 4 feet long, and make sure that it's 3 inches across or 3 inches wide. And then if you want at the end, you can throw in another Roscoe filter or gel that is 4 feet long with around 3 inches wide to put in after the wax paper. It goes in between it or inside of it, and you'll see what I mean in the next part of this video. So we have the T8 tube that we just bought. Then you're going to take this wax paper. You can get this at the dollar store. Pretty cheap. Take some scissors. And then you're going to break in the wax paper. Then you can cut through it. Really, you need 3 inches. That's how much this is. It's about right. A little more never hurts. So once you have that, then you're going to put it in the tube. It can be a pain in the butt. I struggle a lot, but it works. It's potentially useful. You just try to roll it a little bit each time and then try to get down the middle and make that kind of strong tops. Words are difficult this morning. And just get it in there. Watch me struggle. It's always useful to look through to make sure that you can see all the way through it. And if you want a white tube, then you're good to go. That's all you need to do. If you don't want to use wax paper or want something cleaner, you can buy some diffusion paper. I know Eric Paré sells it in his shop. If you want diffusion paper that looks a little cleaner than this, probably might work a little better, but wax paper works great. And then if you want to add a colored gel with it, you can probably find some on eBay, though it's kind of hit or miss. Or you can just buy some from Eric's shop. I've bought yes, bought is a word now. I've bought gels from Eric's shop and they work great. That's where these gels from. So then you can just do the same dealio with the gel. And then, of course, this gel, you have to make sure you can still see through, but it goes inside of the wax paper. It doesn't go around it. So that's why I always do wax paper first to get the nice diffusion. And that is how you make your own tube stick lightsaber. Budget lightsaber. That's how you make. This is the episode of how you make a budget lightsaber. You're welcome. And that's a quick and easy way to make your own tubes. Now, if you don't want to make your own tubes, then you can buy some off of Eric Paure's site, who I've learned all my tube stuff from, on lightpaintingtubes.com. And I think they're super great. I highly recommend them. And just so you can see the difference between homemade and Eric's tubes, I'm going to be throwing you a slideshow and I'll leave captions letting you know which is homemade and which has been used with Eric's tubes, just so you can get an idea of the kind of pictures that you can get with either or. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button, subscribe, that would be fantastic. But I'm not going to say live your life. And, you know, all that good jazz, man. And I hope to see your beautiful faces in the next video. Okay? Okay, bye.